Let me show you how I made this dripping effect poster in Photoshop. Select image. Choose solid color for the background. First, you have to click on select, then choose the subject option from it. Create layer mask. Go at select option and then select color range. Press right-click on the first layer and click on Select Pixels. Click on Inverse. Choose Brush tool to remove extra area. Hide first layer. Adjust solid color. Select brush tool to make a shadow. Go to blending option and then select color overlay. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.